afternoon, everyone. Greetings. It is 12:16 p.m., Tuesday, December 21st, 2021. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, everyone. Hopefully everyone is having a good day. I want to take time out to give respect to Jupiter and honor to the goddess Jupiter, okay? And not grandstanding, but then I'm doing this over and against Diotrephes, who was nurtured by Jupiter and literally showed her no appreciation, but tried to literally drag her name in the mud. Yes, Jupiter is she. Okay. Jupiter, I'm going to name the planet first. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000th the mass of the sun. Jupiter is the third brightest natural object in Earth's night sky. Okay? So I'm actually going to go ahead and read a little bit more. I'm going to go a little further with this. Once again, it orbits the sun. Its orbital order 5. Orbital distance 483.77 million miles. Surface area 23.71 billion square miles. Gravity 24.79 meters per second squared. Okay. So hold on. I'm going to go ahead and open up Jupiter. I'm just going to do Wikipedia. Okay. I probably rather have done something more scholarly like, what do you call it? NASA, To me, it's like a little better. But here we go. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000th the mass of the sun. Jupiter is the third brightest natural object in the Earth's night sky after the Moon and Venus. It has been observed since prehistoric times and is named after the Roman god Jupiter, the king of the gods, because of its observed size. I guess maybe what I'm trying to say is maybe Jupiter's wife, maybe? Okay, because I know, if I'm not mistaken, Jupiter was one of the gods of the eight, like with Hercules. And if I'm not mistaken, he's fallen. Okay. That's my understanding. So this is my understanding. Okay. My understanding is, okay. So I'm just trying to know what I'm putting this. So I'm going with mythology and also my personal, more esoteric and eclectic knowledge of the subject. But Jupiter is not ruled by a male deity anymore, by a female deity, okay? And no, anything at a sex change or go gay. It's a female deity that rules her now. So, it's not like it is, okay? Whatever's whatever. Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen, but helium constitutes 1/4 of its mass and 1/10 of its volume. It likely has a rocky core of heavier elements, but like the other giant planets, Jupiter lacks a well-defined solid surface. The ongoing contraction of its interior generates heat greater than the amount received from the sun. Because of its rapid rotation, the planet's shape is that of an oblate spheroid. It has a slight but noticeable bulge around the equator. The outer atmosphere is visibly segregated into several bands at different latitudes, with turbulence and storms along their interacting boundaries. A prominent result of this is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that is known to have existed since at least the 17th century when it was first seen by a telescope. Interesting. Yes, the great red spot right there. Yeah, it's very interesting. To me, it has this extremely neat, perfect appearance with its design. It almost looks like a perfect marble. I see like this extreme degree of perfection with Jupiter. I really do. Extremely. To me, it looks like it's like, even for all what you see, it's like, if I was an artist, it's like this outrageously glorious collage. Like you make marbles. Marbles are made like that with the swirls and everything. Like, it's pretty intense. It's marble, and it looks so Roman. It looks so Roman, ancient, mythological god to me. It just looks stone, ancient, Roman, mythological. It really does. I see ancient Roman mythology in Jupiter like almost in no other planet. Just total ancient Rome. I really do. Greek mythology. That I can accept calling me mythology. Mythology is it's like the in between where you have the freedom to say it's real or not. But at least it's a subject, you know. But Zeus, Yahweh, all the gods, they're society central. Gods are meant to be society central, not outcasts, okay? So like I said, and like this picture looks kind of, I don't know, this one looks grainy, like, eugh. Like, is it really, that's intense. That picture, like, because it's like you don't see the spherical shape, it's it almost looks at, like you look at it that way, it gives you more concern, like maybe it's not okay, because that don't look good. I'm just being honest. See, I don't know if I like how that looks. So why does that look so intense? That must be a different kind of picture, or is that really what it looks like? Because that looks rounded. What's real? I think it's a certain form, you know, whatever. But anyway, I'm going to stop because my phone's getting weak on power. But anyway, just want to give Jupiter honor, give respect to all the deities in our solar system, from the sun, and then also, that's the Iliacus, Crucifixus Iliacus Systema, okay? Iliacus Systema means the solar system. Okay, Crucifixus Jupitorius. I've done this. I actually built a rune that is actually a solar system rune. I've built a horoscope rune. I've built a holy city rune. Okay, I've built a rune of time stone with Saturn. Okay, shiny swara at the center. So once again, this is a good time to do that. Discuss this. And like I said, in spite of that, male or female, I'm giving honor to Jupiter, whereas Diotrephes, nurtured by Jupiter, did not. So, like I said, I'm going to give honor, respect. Desdemona, that spell will bring you only sorrow. Regardless, male, female, whatever, I'm giving respect to the deities, or others who are nurtured by Jupiter, because Jupiter has given me good advice that saved my life when I had problems in the past. So I'm giving honor to Jupiter. Respect. Male, female, god, goddess, Jupiter has respect for me forever. Okay? Thou shalt not revile the gods, so you shall not revile Jupiter as well, nor curse the rule of your people. Okay? Thank you. God bless.